everyone, good evening. How are you all? So today we are on day 41 of our 45 days compost challenge, and today I'm going to close my old bin which has given me saath for one entire week. So it's halfway filled, and that's why I keep half half the place in the bottle so that I can keep on adding brown matter as and when required. So since yesterday I am calculating 45 days, so it comes to 12th of June. Okay, so I've just marked here the date on which I can expect the compost to get ready in this bottle. Okay, and let me start with my new compost bin. So today is day 41. And let me keep this aside for a minute and add here dried leaves. Do not forget to add brown matter when your compost bin gets full. People who have joined new must be wondering what is this. This is a funnel I've just made from waste plastic bottle, so that since the mouth of the bottle is small, it becomes easier for me to pour the smaller bits through this. And give it a mix. So let me start with my new bin. And first make holes in this. Heat the knife and make small holes, not very big ones. Make multiple holes on the bottle. This is for aerobic way of composting. Now in this also we will start with a layer of dried leaves. Just make smaller bits of the twigs if you have. You can add that also. You can add cardboard pieces, you can add sawdust, various types of brown matters, even the straw and husk which you get in the mango boxes, you can even put that. Just make smaller in pieces and you can add you're good to go. And a gentle reminder, because the monsoons in some parts have already they have arrived, so before they arrive in your areas and everything becomes wet, just collect all your dried leaves. Now this bag came to me, I had this bag full of dried leaves and was sufficient for me for 45 days. So it's better to stock up at least 2 such bags till we have monsoons, 2 to 3 bags, how much ever you can fill up. You can do this activity with your children, they'll have fun. If you can go out, that is another condition, but you can at least store the brown matter which you get in the mango boxes and everything. So don't throw them, just collect them in some bag or something and keep it with you. Okay, so once this is done, I'll be adding my kitchen waste. So I have lots of varieties today. Let me take one container and I'll segregate out the onion peels. So the onion peels, when we dip it in water for a day's time, like 24 hours to 36 hours, we get good solution which we can put in our flowering plants. The onion peels and the ends of onions and everything is very rich in sulfur and has many other goodness. So I will not really get into the benefits part, how they are beneficial chemicals wise, but they are really good and I have seen the effect. So just dip it in water like this. I'll have more peels, so I'll just keep on adding here. So dip it in water for 24 to 36 hours and then you can strain this, remove the peels off. You can put the peels in the compost and the water in the plants. Okay. We also use banana peels for making banana peel slurry and many other things. So if you are new to the group, please check the live sessions which we have done a few days back and other posts also. Okay, now I have few seeds in this. So yeah, there was a network issue. I guess I'm back on live. Please excuse me. So as I was saying, I keep on segregating my wet waste, so in this I have few seeds, so that I will segregate out and probably make seed balls or use for my own plants. And the onion peels, then we have banana peels. So we just keep segregating out wet waste, even citrus peels, for which we are going to do bioenzymes from, and that's what we have called as natural cleaners workshop, which we are going to do tomorrow. This is our very own first workshop which we are going to conduct on T2T Institute and Marketplace page. Please do check that out if you haven't already, and if possible join us in. Okay, so apart from that, let me just put the other stuff in my compost bin. When you are putting it in your compost bin, make sure that you are making it smaller in pieces so that the process is faster. Okay, so this way. Since I have lots of waste today, I'll continue with my process after this live session. So if you guys have already started, please share your progress inside the group and motivate us all, inspire us. Yeah, love you all. Happy T2T, happy composting. Bye.